What is up? You guys are watching Nerdy Nerd and welcome back to my channel. Today we will do an unboxing of GoPro Hero 11 Black. Now let's take a look at the box, all the four sides, the back side, the top side, and in some time we will have a look at the graphics. In the front side we have the GoPro badging. At the top we have specifications such as 27 megapixel camera sensor, and on the right side we have the box contents. We will go through these in more detail. So on the left I've given the list of all the box contents. At the back side it shows the Quik app, which we can find on App Store as well as Play Store. On the right side we have the huge features list such as 5.3K resolution, 8x slow-mo, mod ready and hyper smooth. Let's open the box. I love that sound. And let's see what's inside the box. So once the box is out, we have documentation at the top. At the top we get a GoPro subscribe pamphlet and a how-to guide, some how-to guides, some battery instructions, as well as a product guide. Let's keep this aside. So the first thing you will get is a Type-C to Type-A USB cable. The second thing that we'll find is a curved mount with 3M tape. The third one is a GoPro buckle. The fourth one is a GoPro screw. And the fifth one is the GoPro battery. You have the battery wrapped in the paper. Let's take it off. This is the Enduro battery. I think it's 1750 mAh capacity. Let's keep this aside. Let's take out the GoPro and take off the paper around it. Peel that off. Peel this off. And peel the last one. The all new shiny GoPro. The top has the power button. Let's open the battery door and insert the battery. Here is how you insert the battery. After inserting, let's try to turn it on. Press the start button. I pressed the recording button and it still started. So the GoPro First booted and the language selector screen came up. I selected English. Just agree on the legal stuff. Select the GPS, yes or no, and the Quik app screen. In case you want to come back to this screen, here are the steps. Click on preferences, click on wireless connections, then select connect device, then select the GoPro Quik app. That's it. Once you are on the screen in your GoPro, go to your mobile, open the Quik app, tap on continue as guest, tap on yes here as well. Then your phone will start searching for your GoPro. Click on allow. Here you need to enable your GPS as well as your Bluetooth. Once you have enabled Bluetooth as well as GPS, your phone will start searching for the GoPro. In some time it will give you a list of all the GoPro models. Select Hero 11 Black or the model which you have. These are the steps to go or access the Quik app screen in your GoPro. I've already shown this before, so just follow those steps and in some time your mobile will show the GoPro. Just tap on connect. It will start connecting with your GoPro. So here it might take some time based on your internet connection, and once it's connected it will show a success message, and here you can rename your GoPro. On this screen, if you have GoPro subscription, just sign in with your GoPro account and you will be able to see that. Once you see this screen, that means your GoPro is successfully connected to your phone. Tap on the three dots at the top to access this menu. Here you will see all the details. Tap on the settings to see all the settings and all the options. These can also be accessed in your GoPro settings. You can control your GoPro by tapping on the phone. By selecting the camera, it goes into the picture mode. By selecting the time lapse, it goes in the time lapse mode. Tap on the 4K at the bottom to see all the resolution details and video settings. After clicking on the three dots at the top, you will get the options of powering off your GoPro as well as going live and changing your camera name. If you click on your gallery, you can see all the content that is available on your GoPro. So thank you for watching till this point. You have successfully completed your GoPro setup, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.